Okay, so I didn't plan on making another video, but I had to address this part because sometimes things change. When you move one thing, something else moves. So I'll explain the situation. So these spacers on the back were a lot thicker when I first started this project, and you can look at my old videos if you want the specs or see the spacers on the rear sway bar. I did an earlier video, but the reason why I had to change them is because when I built this gas tank, I had to take these off, and then when I put them back on, what happened was there was no clearance between the sway bar and the gas tank. So right now there's about 2 millimeters of clearance, and what I did to fix that is I used right here, I used a slightly thicker spacer than this. And it's just I cut them at different thicknesses, but I didn't measure it. I cut them to where it fit. And the reason why I did that is because I needed space here. So I had to make it thicker here to clear the sway bar. You can see that it barely clears right there with that bolt. It just barely clears the axle on the back. And yeah, there was no way to do this. The original spacers, I couldn't even put them on anymore. I tried putting them on, and it was just lodged into this. So I cut them in half with my chop saw. This side, because it has a thinner spacer, let me turn it around. You can see there's less clearance here. It's like super close. So I could, if there's any grinding or anything, I could just grind like just the tip of it off so it doesn't hit the axle. You can see like it's very close there. I think it actually does clear barely. Looks by like a millimeter. Well, I just could shave the end if it hits, but I don't think it's going to. I'll know when I drive it. But I just wanted to address that because I had to redo these. It wasn't something I wanted to do, but let me see if I could get a better. I can get a better view over here so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, look at the clearance right there. It's like almost nothing. Yeah. But before, the way I had it, if this was rubbing into the gas tank all the time, it would actually cut a hole in it. So we don't want to do that. All right, so the car is 100% now. Stay tuned for my next videos.